Okay, please now. Eh?
Just stop, please.
How can I stop? Eh? If you see the way I see you from inside of myself, if you see it, you will know that love is real. Eh? See, from the very first day I set my eyes on you, I loved you. But I was just respecting Ugo because both of you were together. But now, it is obvious that we belong together. Eh? Just...
Nonso,
eh?
I don't know what to say. I don't have anything to say to you.
You don't need to say... Hey, wait now. Eh? You don't need to say much. The only thing you need to say now is, yes, I do. Yes, I love you too. That is the only thing.
No, so it's not as if I don't like you. I like you as a person.
Love.
But everything is confusing.
Hey, you don't need to be confused. The only thing that counts here is that I love you. Depend on it, every other thing will fall in place. Eh?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure about this love?
Very, very sure. See, if there is 101%, I'm very sure.
What are you sure about? No, so I'm not gay. This one you people are behaving like primary school children. I hope it's not what I'm thinking, no. No, so.
If I say Pastor, are you stupid? Who are you? Who are you and how do you form?
I am your shadow. After all we've been through together, you will not dump me for this one that was dumped by your friend. Or the impossible.
Hey, are you stupid? Are you stupid? See, okay, just give me 5 minutes. Let me handle this issue.
Let's talk like lovers. You want to talk? Go.
Okay. Now, are you stupid? Are you stupid?
I am your love. Okay, go.
Okay,
go. Go.
Who is this? Are you stupid?
I love you. Let's go.
Wait. I want to ask you a question.
You love? Yes, I love you.
Love?
Fight of love. This is fight of love.
You love who?
This is fight of
Love.
This is fight of love.
See, let me tell you something.
I will die for love.
I don't want to kill you with my hand.
Let's die. Let's. Hey, anything for love. Hey. Yes, I like that one. I like that style. Hey. I like that.
Please, see, you have to listen to me. Can you just give me a little time of your life? Let me show you the level of love I have for you. See, it's not what you're thinking.
I am not thinking about anything, also. Just leave me, please.
How can I leave you now? Eh? See, I will not leave you unless I tell you what I want to tell you.
See, I have somewhere that...
Please wait. See, just little time of your life. Just little. I will turn your life around. Can you just tell me that I love you too? Just once.
How will I tell you that I love you when I
dance? So this is what you do? Eh? This is how you go about telling all the girls in the village that how many girls have you even told that I love you today?
Who are you in the first place? I said, who are you? How do you from? How do you appear from here?
Baby, after we've been through.
But what? Don't allow me to finish. Are you stupid? Have you seen me before? Do you know me?
Why are you hurting me?
Okay. Please let me warn you for the last time. I don't know you. I've not seen you before. I don't want to. I don't want. Are you okay? Get out from here.
I will die. Kill me.
No, is this how you are? Going about the village deceiving girls.
I love you.
Please, come. Let me tell you. Come. When last did you see me in your dream? Are you on Colos?
Follow her now. Follow her.
I'm your shadow. I'm just kidding.
Hey!
Oh!
Follow her! I will
please.
keep destroying everything.
You keep See, I hate everything that is short. Anything that is short that is not straight and beautiful, I hate it. How can you? Oh God, please. Leave heaven. Come down yourself and punish this idiot they call Anita. Because if you send any angel to come and punish her, they will have pity on her. God, please come and kill this idiot for me. Hi, who gives you opportunity? Thunder fire you! Okay! Hi! When next can I see this opportunity? I told you. She told me that she loves me. And that she wants us to move further. But you know what happened? Before she could utter the next word, that useless Anita appeared from nowhere and scattered everything. Anywhere I see that idiot, I must deal with her.
She loves you, and it's all right. All I'm trying to tell you is to be very careful. Be very, very careful, because I don't want any. I will not I will never pray for anyone to face the kind of challenges I'm facing in my home. The kind of trouble I'm seeing every day in my house.
My brother, my second name is carefulness. I am very careful at this point. See, you see that Ugo? That guy is a fool, a nonentity, an idiot that is just standing to block the girl from getting credible suitors like me. Just chasing everybody away. Why in his heart, he's not seeing the girl as a woman. That guy is a fool.
Go on, credible suitors.
Yeah! Credible one like me.
If you say so, no problem.
You see, the next movement I was... our wife.
Please, raise your leg. Let me sweep out the dust. Like
Yeah, okay, stop that nonsense. What's your
Okay,
problem?
raise your leg, Biko. Raise the pool, okay?
Have you seen what I told you?
Hey! Nah!
Have you seen what I told
Hey!
you?
Madam, don't do that now!
Nketa Gamoni have been no. Nketa Allah. A very useless human being.
I don't blame you.
Onyala. Onyala.
I agree. I'm not like your grandmother. Your grandmother beat somebody inside the market now. Man, look what her mother are here. It runs in your family. Madness runs in your family. Let me see you.
How old are you? Obologe Taba Musu. How old are you that you're behaving like this? Obologe Taba Musu.
Look at he's talking. Wizard like you. Yeah?
More wizard.
In fact, let me tell you, you are a fool. You don't know anything. Look at the kind of friends that you keep. No wonder you can never make money. You can never make money because birds of a feather flock together. If when you see wretched ones, you go and gum body.
He is richer than your father's first son.
How will you make money? And I told you it's alright, and I buy it's okay. Look at your
Can't
friends.
you see my friends up here? Can't you see my
Let me
friends?
see him here.
Let me not see any of your family members here.
What are they looking for?
I go Kahana.
Our house is better than your own.
Your house.
I'm no fear. Let me see him
He
here.
is richer than your father's first son. He is richer than your father's first son.
Cursed. You are cursed with poverty.
See again.
You are cursed with poverty.
See again.
I'm not your baby here. If you're not
Oh, go on, Musu.
Ogbonye, Amusu, Soguma, Fiakwa.
See again. I can't you know.
Hi!
I hope you like them, my love.
I love them. Baby, they're beautiful. Oh, thank you so much, darling.
It's okay.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Anything for you, my baby.
Hey, baby, there's this sneakers I saw and I want you to buy it for me.
Huh?
Nah. It's very beautiful.
Oh, really?
Yes, baby.
But I bought you 2 sneakers.
Oh, baby, I know. But if you see this one, trust me, you would like it. They are beautiful. And I saw 3 jeans with 2 tops that would go perfectly with it. So I asked the lady to keep it for me, that my boyfriend will come and pay. And I think she said it's 115,000 naira only. Yes, baby. I told her my boyfriend can pay for it. He has enough money, so she should keep them for me. I'll come pick them up later. Baby, now I know you can afford it. It's
Chai! Ugo, who did this to you? Of all the girls in this village, you chose the weapon fashioned against you.
Anita.
Soon you will pick plate and start begging.
Who invited you? Why are you here? What's your problem?
My friend, I'm sorry. See the way Ugo is sweating. Eh? This man will not last up to 2 weeks. So.
Hey. How is that your business?
See this one I'm pitying, no. You're talking. See, Ugo, let me tell you. Your village people came prepared. And you see this thing that they are doing to you. Nobody will save you from the tactics they came with. You are a goner.
Anita, leave us alone. Why don't you go and look for a boyfriend? Get yourself busy now. Do something with your time.
Ugo, my condolences.
Condolences.
For your future. Because you will not last.
It's you that will not last. My boyfriend will last.
Amen.
He will live long to take care of me and my family. He has the money. Go and look for your boyfriend.
Woo!
Rubbish.
But baby,
Maybe don't. Maybe what is it?
baby,
What's the pot again?
that thing, those things you ask them to keep, it's too much. Oh.
How can you say it's too much?
What have I gotten myself into? How can I use my own money and buy trouble for myself? Are you sure it's not my past sin that have caught up with me? What in the name of marriage is this? What? I am getting tired by the day. How can I not be comfortable in my own house? What sort of nonsense is this?
Thank you.
Okay. My best friend. Nwanyị ọma.
Mrs. Chijoke.
Ebe ka ị na-aga?
I'm going to Norma's house.
And I was planning to visit you.
Visit me? Hope all is well.
No, I just want to discuss something with you, that's all.
Okay, if that is the case, when do you intend to visit?
Obesikwanuru, since you're here, let us kukuma discuss the thing here. It's about Nonso.
Nonso kwa?
I overheard Nonso telling my husband that he loves you and he wants to marry you. Yes. That is why I came to give you this friendly advice. If he ever proposes, say no. Don't agree, because if you end up marrying that boy, you will suffer for the rest of your life. I'm telling you.
Chisom, why did you say so?
You like Refefo? No, look at me very well. Do you like how I am looking? I am looking this way because I got married to a poor man. That is the suffering I don't want for you, because you're my friend. Poor man. There is no uru in poor man. If you end up marrying that boy, he will useless your life. He will turn your life upside down. He will scatter your life and you will never come back from it. Baptism. Say no to hunger and poverty by saying no to Nonso. I don't want you people to suffer what I'm suffering in my own marriage. That is why I am advising all my friends to stay away from poor men. I have told you so that you will not say I did not do something as your friend for you. God. Long time, oh. I was even asking myself if I would still recognize you.
Miss Chijoke. This way you remembered me today. Hope I'm safe.
Have I not been remembering you?
You.
Or you just want to talk?
Oh, story. You that immediately you got married, you went missing in action. You neither call nor text.
Shebi, you're about to get married. Don't worry. When it happens, let me see if you have all the time like you used to.
I'm not like you. How have you been? Well, you look good though.
Hey, thank you.
How's your husband?
That one. I heard you are with a better man. And I also heard that the guy spends silly on you. You enjoy, as in he gives you everything you want.
You see, my Ugo is just a sweetheart.
Oh.
He's a godsend. Ugo's priority is making me happy. He buys me anything I want, everything I want. He's just 1 in a million.
Is that not what all of us are paying for? See, enjoy it now. You see now, enjoy it. Eat, drink, be merry. Now let me also give you advice as somebody that has been long in the game.
Okay.
Which is exactly why I even came to your house.
Really?
Yes. You see now that he's spoiling you silly. Enjoy it. Eat everything you want now. Drink everything you want now. Buy everything. You see those shoes, jewelries. Goria. Now is the time. Because immediately that gender marries you, fiam, they will change. They don't waste time. They will just change.
Really?
I'm telling you from experience.
My Ugo is not like that. Ugo is different. Ugo loves me.
That was what all of us said then. All men are the same. Everywhere they are the same. The way they change, you can't even cope.
Since you're here, I was about to go.
I know there will be plenty things inside this house. Come and give me my share.
You've not changed.
I know. I will not change. I will not change. Biko. That even don't go in poverty. Chairman on the flesh.
No, Jagada. I brought out some clothes for you to watch. You didn't watch them. And you left to God knows where. Yeah? Go and pack all those clothes and watch.
Close that your long, senseless mouth or say so. Close it! You don't even have any reason to be talking to me right now. You were fool. Look at who is talking. Let me tell you. You are not supposed to talk. You are shameless. Do you know where I'm coming from? It's in Ben Norma. I am just coming from Norma's house. Hey, Norma Gosulumi Ife Anyame Bemme. I saw things with my eyes. If you see bags, if you see shoes, hey, cause the earrings, cause the makeup. Ugo bought them. Ugo Kawoki Begi. Ugo bought them for her. That it hasn't been long they started dating. How can be the corral you awful? Man, all go bani Ife Golie. And you are here asking me to go and wash your dirty clothes.
If you see clothes, with which hand would you have carried the bags if I had bought them? Yeah? With which hand? Make makeups, bought makeups. They could eat riot the makeups. They could eat anywhere.
Because you have not eaten for 3 days. That's why you are talking nonsense. Look at who is talking. How long did we date? No, how long did we date? How long is this marriage? Yet I don't have anything to show for it. Nothing to show for it. Look at how I am. Just because I married you. You want to This slippers. I got it from my father's house. Out of love, I brought my father's home for you. The spare one, I brought it for you. This is what we have been wearing since. You have not even been able to change it. And you have the guts to talk.
This is the thank you I get. So this is the thank you I get for lifting a burden like you off your family. Huh? This is the thank you I get for wiping away shame from your face. Huh?
You left the shame on your own face. And you came to wipe the one on our face. In what sense? Look at who is talking. A fool. I don't know how I got myself involved in somebody like you. I had suitors. Ndi Diego. Ndi na-agba moto. Nsemba. Na achọ nwoke toro ogologo. Amam ni to fere uche. I did not know I was going for a big fool.
You know, you lie too much. You lie too much. Nobody came for you. Nobody came for your hands in marriage. Nobody. Yes. The young men of this village. Nobody came for you.
Look at you. You are just talking out of poverty and hunger. Yes, so it is the hunger in you that is talking. Because the only lesson I learned in this whole thing is that a lot of women in this village have sense more than me. Because I heard how you were going from one house to the other, asking for their hands in marriage. But they saw your poverty from afar. And also, all of them ran like Usain Bolt. I thought Nanjeri Buti. Black market of poverty. Nemo, look at where I have ended up. I can't change clothes. I can't change shoe. I can't make hair because you are a goat. You are a fool.
Do you know I've been thinking? I've been thinking of getting another wife. Second wife. Don't worry. Very soon I will bundle you back to your father's house.
When last did you eat? And you want to marry another wife? Because you go and marry the wife to come now. Bring the wife. If you
go and wash my clothes.
Me? Wash your clothes. You are mad though. You are very mad. Go and wash it yourself.
Draft. I will deal with you.
I
will bundle you out of.
Draft. Even your poverty cannot even get money from draft.
No, wait now. Wait.
Are you not done? Are you not done yet? No. Are you not happy yet? Are you not done spoiling my happy moment? Are you not done?
Wait. It's not that I enjoy doing all these things, so. It's just that I cannot stand and watch another woman take you away from me. Please, you know I love you so much. I love you with my life.
Hey, stop that. You loved me. And then you have the effrontery to be lying before me in presence of a woman that makes me happy.
That is because I cannot stand and watch another woman be with you. If I don't have you, nobody else will have you.
But I told you before, I don't love you. And I don't want to take advantage of you. See, we can be friends, best of friends. But that love aspect cannot work between us.
Take advantage of me. I am cheap. I don't mind.
Hey, Anita. I never knew that you are this cheap.
You are mad.
Is this you? Hey!
Thank God you heard everything. Thank God you heard everything. You know, I've been trying to explain this to you, but you refuse to believe me.
My love, I believe you now.
Stop this nonsense,
Hey!
See, if I don't have you, nobody. I mean nobody, Makachuku.
And you will never have me.
Baby, don't mind her. I've forgiven you.
Eh?
Okay?
Hey!
I never knew you are this cheap. Hey!
You see this rubbish people are doing? Shut up.
Hey,
You see this nonsense people are doing? I will come back for you people. I will come back for you. Just watch and see.
You cannot do anything.
Okay, let me see.
What God has joined together.
Okay, let me see.
Come, I will use and play ball. Foolish idiot.
Viva, I never knew this girl is this cheap.
That's how she goes about sharing affection to different men. Thunder will fire you.
I never knew that this girl is this cheap. Oh.
You know, sometimes foolishness runs in the blood. Somebody that loves you, you don't love the person. Person that loves you, it will be very hard for you to trust the person.
Maybe
Thunder! When they do rehearsal, we locate you.
It's okay, my love.
I don't know why girls will be shameless. Some idiots. You are the most beautiful girl in the world. No, you are in my own idea, the most beautiful woman in this whole wide world.
Take it easy now. You're not the only person. Do you know why you hate that?
Show them who you are.
No, that.
They want to pick you.
No, show them no Biamdena, your family. You see the way you are eating.
Beater.
You can't even package yourself small.
Beat me like you used to now.
Hey! Swallow the spoon. No one does it.
Anyama.
What is wrong?
Anyama, my eyes.
Baby.
Blow the eyes.
What is it?
Oba, amnanya.
Oba. Hey, where wine, Sayanya? Wash his face with the wine, nah?
Oba amnanya. Hey. Go. Alanu.
What is something now? What is it?
I'm going.
What is wrong?
Go where?
What's wrong with him?
Hey!
Talk to your man now.
Hey!
Oh. Wow.
Oh!
Wow.
Hey!
Please, will you be my wife?
Of course, yes. Baby, is this diamond ring?
Odika.
It's diamond, it's diamond. Don't worry, you will not be able to. It's diamond.
My food. I will go get me a diamond ring.
See, from today, I just want to confirm to you that you are the most beautiful girl in the whole world. Yeah. From the proper definition of love, I want you to be my wife.
Apple.
Please marry me.
Bring inside an apple.
Everything about you reeks of poverty. Just look as in ring inside apple. If I say carpenter made mistake as your style.
I love it like
It's
this.
love in the garden.
Can't buy case.
I like it.
Common ordinary container you can buy.
This is Adam and Apple.
Okay,
You guys.
I pity you. Your suffering has just started.
I'm just laughing at you.
That the apple.
I'm just laughing at you guys.
It is.
This is reality. Huh? Some people are fighting to go out, while some people are struggling to come in. You will see what you're looking for. It's a promise. Calm down.
It is Adam and Eve pattern.
It's your father that is struggling to dive out. That is what you are. You will come outside, you will not even
It's
package
okay,
yourself.
it's okay.
See the way you are eating like a fool. Banana monkey.
I will not
Nobody
take.
is trying to come out.
I will not take anybody bringing their personal problem, family problem here.
I will eat them.
It's okay.
And
I
enjoy
get you.
Let's enjoy the moment.
Let me tell you the truth. Let me tell you the truth.
Let's live in the moment.
I don't eat at home. I don't eat at home.
Are you
You
serious?
don't bring money. You
Hey.
don't bring money. If you bring money, you will eat. It is a lie. It is a very big lie. That okay that thinks she knows everything. In her mind now, she's making a good this thing. Let me tell you. She's the one that will regret marrying that church rat. That poor fool also. You see that her marriage, it will not work. It will not last.
It will work.
And she will regret it. She will regret it.
See, let me tell you. You see that Norma? That church rat? That materialistic girl? Norma? That will soon liquidate Ugo. That will soon become Ugo's downfall. You see that girl? Their marriage will not last. I am telling you for sure. But you see Oge and Donso? Yeah? Their marriage is built in love, respect, regard. It will last. You see that very one? Will last.
My friend, go and sit down. I'm not calling him Morisi, not rubbish. Who is talking about love here? Can you connect? What can love buy? Can love buy lunch? Can love buy breakfast?
Shut up.
Or you go to dinner?
But you know everything is about money, wealth for you.
Before, uncle, I'm speaking from experience. It is not my fault that you don't have money. It is not my fault that you are not rich. It is not my fault that you don't know what it means to live good, live well, and eat good food. It is not my fault. Because anytime you open your mouth and talk, anybody around will know you have not eaten. That it is hunger that is talking.
Your husband. Poverty. What do you have? What are you bringing to the table? What are you bringing? Your fellow women can ask, what do you bring to the table? I'll call everything. What's your table? You have nothing to write home about. Poverty.
In where table? You can go to the table. If you want what I bring to the table. Ife, but you want her table. It is your poverty that is talking. Biko, has the wedding been fixed? A fix is going to wedding now, Biko.
Not really, but
Hey!
soon to be missing.
Ring out, This is good. This is good.
It's good though.
This is the best, I'm telling you.
See,
Hey!
it baffles me the way news fly in this village. I swear.
But at least it is good news. So let it fly. We even need it to fly. Listen, I want to be involved in the planning of this wedding. Yes, we will plan it so well. This wedding will be the talk of the village for years.
Calm down, Biko. Which one you be? Why should you be the one planning my wedding for me? I don't get it.
Because you don't have sense. You don't know anything. That is why I'm planning wedding for you. Say thank you. Say thank you.
It's okay now. You both should not start. Don't quarrel. I don't want you to quarrel again. I don't understand why both of you cannot get along just for a minute.
Because she does not have sense. She has big head, no sense inside. Big ears, but she does not hear with it. Everything I've told her, she has not done one. And that is why her life is like this. Because you that listen, I want to tell you something. You see now, you need to upgrade your life. Yes, you need to upgrade your life to match the status you are about to step into right now. You see that your guy? This is the time to hold him. Jide tire. Hold him very well, then make him upgrade your life. If he cannot upgrade your life, then he's not doing anything in your life now. He's worthless and useless. Any guy that cannot pick a woman, upgrade ya, please fling the man away. What do you see?
Chisom, fear God. Norma, please don't listen to her. She has been married and she's still married. So don't allow her to tell you how to marry your own husband. Build your home yourself.
Did you hear yourself? Yes, I have been married and I am still married. Am I not in a better position to give you advice on marriage?
Bad advice.
Okay, go and sit down, please.
Please, about this upgrade, I want to know what it's about. How do I upgrade myself?
Don't tell me you are interested.
Ha! I will tell you.
Hi, baby.
My love.
Is the food not ready yet?
I know. Almost ready. Don't worry. I know you're hungry.
Okay. Baby, look. Here. You see? These pictures are not clear. They're not as clean as I want them to be.
You look beautiful.
I know I'm always beautiful, but honey, I need a new phone.
Huh?
Yes, for a clearer picture, I need a new phone, a tripod, a ring light, and a new set of makeup for perfect video. Yes, now. Baby, are you complaining?
No, I'm not complaining, no. But was it not last month I bought all these things you mentioned?
Yes, darling, you did. But that was then. I need an upgrade right now. To think I'll soon become Mrs. Ugo. I think I deserve an upgrade.
Yes, you actually do.
Let's see. Roughly, I'll be needing 350,000 naira. I think that would cover for the makeup. Yes, not the iPhone. Of course, you know iPhones are expensive. Baby, I'm tired of using an Android phone now. I need an iPhone. So 350 for the tripod. I'll just get some new makeup and ring light. Ring light is expensive, but don't worry, I'll manage 350. Then for the iPhone, I'll pick the one I want and get back to you.
Babe, listen, which is more important now? Is it these things you're talking about or the food on fire?
Maybe this is very important. In fact, I'll just go ahead and place an order for the makeup. Then later I'll talk about the iPhone. And
It's okay. Just, honey, leave those things for now. Let me check if the food is ready so that we can eat.
Yeah, I think it's running already. All right.
But meanwhile, just leave those things for now. Let me get the food.
No, I'll place an order. Baby, hurry, I'm hungry. Babe, please serve it with cold water. I'm tired. Take clearer picture. I deserve the best. Baby, we'll go.
No, so just stop, please. Stop, it's okay. Just stop. See it.
Why do you want me to stop?
Stop now, please. See, there's this I would tell you.
What's that?
You know when I was with Ugo, I was those wait now.
Okay, I've stopped.
I was opportune to learn the honey business from him. So I am thinking if I should start the business.
I'm listening.
See, I know everything about this honey business, but the issue now is capital. So, I don't know if you can help me with some money so I can join to the one I have.
Are you sure you know this business too well?
I know this business. I know the in and out. See, Ugo took me to where he used to buy the honey. And I know the people who he supplies the honey to. I know everything about this business. I promise you I'll do well. Just give me a try.
Then what are we waiting for? Like, how much are we talking about?
I get to give me. Wait. Are you going to give me the money?
Straight up.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I love you.
Love you too.
Ugo, wait. Don't tell me that you're not borrowing money because of this guy.
One, if you want to give me the money, give me the money. I said I am going to pay you back. Eh?
Hey, it's not like I don't want to lend you the money. But the rate in which you spend money on this girl is alarming. And I don't like it. I'm not okay with it.
See, I did not come here for you to lecture me on how to use money. I came here for you to borrow me money. And I said I will give you back. Eh? You know this money now.
Ugonna. Ugonna. I just pray earnestly that you don't regret this your action in the nearest future.
Now, the action in the nearest future. The future will take care of itself. We are talking about now. Eh? It's not when you live today, you will see future. If you don't survive today, will you see future?
Not advice, Ejo. Take advice, Ejo.
Oh, so this is where you are. This is where you and your foolish, wretched, poor friend are. But
Listen to me.
So, both of you are perambulating around the whole village aimlessly as jobless people. Eh? Village. So, you didn't drop money and you had the guts to leave that house.
Listen to me. Listen to me. If there's any fracas we are having at home, go home as a wife, wait for me till I come back, we sort it out.
So you are very stupid. Go to which home? See, if you don't drop money here and now, I will make sure that the whole village sees how useless you are. Oh, we're both useless outside and inside. Hey. Idiot.
I don't understand.
Useless go.
Young lady, you know what? Please, you have to go home now. Eh? Don't worry, I will talk to your husband. He will come back and meet you.
Is it you or is it the poverty inside you that is talking?
I don't understand.
Look at how you are hanging shoulder and talking to me. Somebody will see you on the road and they will think something is inside your pocket. They will not know that nothing here and nothing here. I am not talking to you. I am not talking to you. I don't talk to wretched goats.
Hey, I don't understand.
I am not talking to
my friend like that.
I don't talk to wretched goats. Because so to the now, if we you will even go and struggle with it.
I heard you talk.
You're respecting me.
I'm respecting you.
I'm just
trying to talk to your wife.
I'm actually talking to this goat. Yes, I am talking to this goat.
You stole me. You think if you stole me, I will leave you?
They know. Hey! I will eat your wife. Hey! How did I end up with this? Chineke,
Stop me again!
What sin did I commit that you use this goat to punish me? Eh? Oh!
So you've taken advice from that your fake friend?
I like what I'm seeing. I wish I am you. But if I were you, I will not be doing all these things to someone I want to get married.
Anita, you cannot be me. Sorry. You will never be me. And I will never, ever, ever, ever be you. Sorry. So just keep on being you. Nonsense. And you, what's your concern? Why don't you focus on the business that pays you?
I'm only advising you because you are my sister. Water, if not, I will just keep quiet.
Who is seeking for your advice? Let me tell you. My fiancé is not complaining. He has money to spend. Besides, he said something. He said he loves it when I make my demands. He likes it when I keep demanding because that is the way to show I am still in love with him. My husband-to-be is an odogu, so what are we not saying?
Asa odogu. Maybe I will go home with the cat.
Go home with what? My friend, drop this thing here. Drop this thing. You can't focus on your broke poor people. You, why are you still here? My friend, get out. Get out of my side before I get angry.
Yeah, I'll save my own. No.
Let leave.
Save my own.
Oh no. Oh yeah, which one are you giving me?
Give you what? Don't you have a boyfriend? Please go. Don't come and ruin my mood. Hey, this thing is Apple. It's showing me Apple ID. Should I? I think I'll just put my email. Let me put my email and see. This iPhone is difficult to operate.
Come on, open this one. Let's.
That's makeup. Look at your face. You look like someone that applies makeup on your face. Go and carry through and rub. Don't stress me.
I'm running because you're holding stones. This is how your mother is chasing your father around.
This is how. Why did you call my mother? Yeah. If I don't finish you today, I'm not here. You understand, Abosa? Come now.
I don't want to touch you. They will say I'm a woman beater. Come home, I'll finish you.
The one hunger is eating me in your house. Are you not a woman?
Come home, I'll finish you.
No, I want to kill you on the road.
Hey!
This one. Oh, yes. Mama, come, let's take a selfie. Oh, come and sit.
Yeah, Norma. I heard you bought a new phone and some set of makeup.
Mama, heard? Yeah, this is the evidence. This is it. This is an iPhone. Not just that. Ugo bought me a tripod, a ring light, and some other things. They're inside. He bought them so that I can be making clean, beautiful videos. Mommy, this is an iPhone now. Look at it.
So, you and Ugo went to the market to buy things and you forgot that you have a mother that you take care of. Why, Norma?
No, it's not like that, Mama. It's not like that. Okay, you know what? Next time, you write me a list and I'll take to the market and buy everything on the list. I promise.
Okay. Okay, I told your uncles that Ugo is coming tomorrow with his people to state their intentions.
That's nice. But Mama, hope they are not coming with lots of people.
Here, if possible. Of course, they will go and tell their drinking partners now.
I don't want those village people in my ceremonial. I don't want them. I don't want my uncles to come with those drunkards. Those men that will come here and be drinking palm wine. I don't want those local men in my ceremony. I want classic people. If they can, they should invite people from the city. But those clean men.
Mom, it's not possible. They will definitely come. So don't disturb yourself.
Mama, wait, hold on. Before you leave, let's take picture. Don't forget. I would want you to look fine that day. I'll personally do your makeup. I would change your hair.
You better take care of your mother.
Mama.
How come so quantify?
Your time has passed. This is now what
Mama. Who told you that?
You're old.
I can't know. Forget to.
Oh, let's
Not
take
try me.
selfie.
Another one.
You want to wear mini skirts? Now. That means that's why I say your time has passed. It's not our time to shine.
Makeup. I need to look good.
Mama, you know they agree.
Mama,
let's do this.
What are you doing? What do you want?
Okay. Are you not happy to see me?
Happy to see you. Like, seriously, you are asking me this question. I don't get it. Like, you don't know what you did or what?
Okay. If I did something wrong, why don't you tell me instead of frowning at me?
Norma, the last time I checked, we agreed from childhood that we'll get married the same day, the same time. How come you let Ugo's people come without my notice? You didn't even tell me about it.
Is that why you're upset?
Why won't I be?
It's really nothing now. It was just an occasion within the family members. So I didn't bother telling you.
Are you being serious? It's really nothing. I didn't bother telling me.
Girl, it's not a big deal. Besides, I didn't know you guys were ready to get married. I thought you were still getting to know him.
Well, I don't want to do the thing in my mind. Like, I don't want to do something that I will regret. You know what? Just leave my house.
Okay. Do you want...
Don't come close. Leave.
You're asking me to leave?
Leave my house.
I came to show you my iPhone.
I don't want to see anything. Go now.
I should go?
Yes. Like now.
No problem.
I'm leaving. How can someone be a chameleon like this? We agreed from childhood that we'll do everything together. I got married without even telling me. What rubbish.
Does that tell her everything? Scared me to leave her house. Like she's even staying in one big and change. Nonsense. So yummy. Meaning of that. What's even a problem? You know, we are doing perfectly everything. Fine, I've told her. And that's why I did it. Because it was just within the family.
Norma, should I bring chain? Because this is how madness starts. Why are you talking to yourself? You're not a tamu.
Is it not that one? Imagine asking me to leave her house. What is even her problem? What is it? What?
Who? What are you talking about?
Is it not okay? Ogo is upset because Ugo came with his people to see Mama.
Sister, you are terrible.
What do you mean?
You are terrible. Eh?
Zoba.
You are the worst friend anyone can have.
Watch your tongue.
At first, you took her boyfriend from her. Now you went behind her to marry her boyfriend. Without even taking proper permission from her.
Who told you he's her boyfriend? Or he was her boyfriend? He was never her boyfriend. Secondly, I do not need to seek permission from anybody to get married to my Ugo.
Your Ugo?
Oh, yes!
So you're terrible, because at least you would have told her this one now.
No.
Both of you do things together, isn't it?
I mustn't tell her everything. Don't you know the importance of keeping some things private?
Private?
Oh, yes!
This one, private. Sister, you'd have told her this one, no? Eh? That girl is the only real friend you have. You'd have told her. Now, it's not making sense at all.
So now, what do you suggest I do? What?
Question. How do you mean?
Okay, go now. I said I'm sorry. I'm really sorry about what happened. Please just stand and listen to me. I beg you. Please, I'm really sorry. Believe me, I'm truly sorry about what happened. I didn't mean to keep it away from you. What happened was, I was overwhelmed when Ugo told me, when he brought the news, and everything happened so fast. Please forgive me.
Norma, can you hear yourself talk?
Yes, I know. I can hear myself and I know I messed up. Please, okay, you're the only true friend I have. You know you're my best friend. Please forgive me. Listen, I promise you. I promise I will never keep anything away from you. I will tell you everything. Henceforth, we'll do everything together. Even when you want to shower, just call me. That's when I'll bathe. I promise you.
Are you sure?
I cross my heart. I pinky promise. I promise now. Please now. I miss my friend.
You are forgiving. I'm forgiving you. But you know nothing will come between us. Nothing on this earth will separate us.
Of course I
Friendship
do.
for life.
For life. You're my sister. You're not even my friend again.
So tell me, how did it go?
Well, it is not something we'll stand and talk about. But first, look at my phone. I was trying to show you that day. No, you said you don't.
Is this the only thing you have in this house? You're here claiming Unyodogu, but ordinary common whiskey you cannot bring out. What is this now? Look at this biscuit that looks like what they give children that goes to nursery school.
I don't understand.
It don't make sense now.
Who are you that I will serve you whiskey?
Eh? Who am I that you will not serve me whiskey? You that is talking. Come, I hope you are not insulting me. Are you insulting me?
I am not insulting you, but if you give it to me one, I give it to you double. That's me. What is it? Come to think of it. My husband is Richard Anoge's husband. I do not need to serve you whiskey to prove a point.
Really? See, Unyodogu is not by mouth. No be by cho. Show workings. Show workings make we see. No, share your wedding is coming up. Go and disgrace yourself and serve people this nonsense. That is when we will laugh. That's when we will laugh.
I am not disgracing myself. No, I am not. And that is why my wedding will be the talk of the town. No wedding will come close. Guinness Book of Record must record it.
Like this. Okay, like I said, it is not by mouth. Action speaks louder. You understand? I came to your house pre-wedding. You can't even bring out anything. Look at these cheap biscuits that even my mother never had the heart to give me when I was in nursery school. And this month, even from the taste, is fake.
Who told you it's fake?
Did you taste what you gave to me?
Who told you?
It's fake.
Chisom.
Don't try it, oh. Don't try it. Don't bring out this kind of nonsense, oh.
Let me bust your brain right now. My husband, Ugo, has decided to cater for all the expenses of my Shwebi girls. Oh, yes.
Huh?
You inclusive. He said he will pay for the hair. He will pay for the outfits. I mean, even the Ashwebi, he will pay the fashion designer to make them. He will buy you the bag. The shoe that goes with the clutch purse. He is buying the clutch purse. The only thing you have to do is just to come with yourself. That is it. Tell me who does it. Who comes close in this village? Like I said, Guinness Book of Record is recording my wedding. Odogu, yeah, Odogu.
But you cannot provide whiskey. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Noma, go inside and go and bring whiskey. Let shame catch you small. Go inside and bring whiskey. Your husband will do this, do that. The person that will wear the ashebi is drinking fake malt. Okay, see me?
I should serve you whiskey. So what will I serve my husband's rich friends? Drink the one on your level. Leave whiskey for rich people.
Chiro, your husband has rich friends. And you have poor friends. See the way you're disgracing yourself and your generation.
I am not my friends. My friends are not me. I'm different. Do you know how much this costs?
I will not eat it.
You want to take it home?
I will not take it home. I'm keeping it for you. I will
really?
Not eat it. I'm too big for this kind of biscuits. It's too cheap. It's too cheap. Normal. As in, I came to your house and you're giving me this cheap biscuit.
You're not even happy I gave you biscuits. Okay. Zaba, come and take these biscuits.
Oh.
Let's keep it back.
You would have told me it's your dinner.
Just say you've changed your mind. Tell me you have changed your mind. Don't worry. You will enjoy. Be drinking the malt.
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere.
For you to stop me.
Yeah,
come on.
My friend, stay here. Not here.
Yeah, okay, leave my way.
For what now?
I said, leave my way.
I am asking you for what?
If you don't leave my way, I will do something the both of us will regret. Leave my way.
It's a lie, yo. You are not going anywhere until you give me money for new hair. Yes! Mama has agreed to sew my clothes. Now it is your responsibility to give me hair. Give me hair, go easy.
So what's wrong with the hairs inside?
How many? How many have you bought for me?
Where do you want me to get that kind of money from?
How is it my business? If you like, you go and steal. If you like, you sell your manhood. Don't work man.
Oh, go ahead.
I don't care.
You will sell your kidney. obele bet nna agba enweta obele ego ibulu ọnụ ọjọọ gị so ya n'ime ya. Yeah? Now I'm not making money again from bet. What is your problem? Yeah? They sent you to kill me.
That one is your business.
Out of my way.
After yakking your mouth, you go and give me money to buy hair. For once, the mechanic can walk in. Act like a man. Eh? I thought after all this ginger, you will get angry and say, Ngwanego!
If I give you money, yeah, you know, Jana, let me die this night.
Ah, you will die, yo. You will die. In fact, information reaching me is that every poor man will die on Wednesday.
That means your father will die.
Nebe.
Your father's first son will die.
Oh, Kajara.
I don't know why in Ketomboya will die. Yes.
Okay. After yakking that your mouth, give me money.
Out of my way.
Come on, step out of this place. Let me see. Step out, Kamfo. Step out.
Can you book on money?
I don't know.
Yeah?
I'm still asking the same question. Who
did
so
this
we
to
die
me?
here.
Give
me
me
money.
This to me?
Give me money, Chineke Akpogoko.
Give you what?
Give me money, Akagom Chineke Brono.
Sell your kidney. We were 2 kidneys. Sell your kidney.
Yeah?
Ashawo Dubai. Ashawo Dubai. Tell me your story. You went to Dubai. Watch out, Ashawo. Nothing to write home about. It doesn't end there up with me. How?
Hey, it's your bad luck. Yes, oh. It is your bad luck. Nah, do you like that? Oh?
Hey! Wait. You mean all that just for a wedding?
Baby, why are you screaming? Don't you know my worth? Or you don't know the class I belong to before you came to ask me out? Baby, can you just stop doing this? Stop this.
Come on now. You need to understand what I'm trying to say now. Do you want us to borrow just for a wedding? Eh?
How can we even borrow? Borrow? Babe. We still have enough money to spend. We've not even touched your money in the city. Why are you talking about borrowing?
Listen, don't you know that after wedding, we still have bills to pay? Eh? We need to reserve some money now for future purpose. Eh? As adults, we need to reserve some cash for tomorrow purpose. We cannot continue to spend money on things that are not necessary now. It doesn't make sense.
Why don't you just say you're no longer interested in getting married to me instead of traumatizing me? I'm traumatized. It's not fair.
What's traumatizing you here? I'm trying to reason with you as my wife. You're being traumatized. How?
Don't you know saying no to me traumatizes me?
Hey. Oh, okay. Sorry. Don't be angry. It's just that you need to see the point I am trying to make here. Eh?
Are you doing it or not?
So all these things I've been saying. Okay, fine. No problem. I will do something about it.
Sure. Thank you. You see why I love you. Maudogu, thank you. Baby, what about the money you promised to give to my mother's younger brother's son?
Why are you still looking at the water? Drink it now. See, this is what I have. This is all I can offer. So you better drink and enjoy.
Bia, okay. Emeru yeme. Eh? Emeru, are you, what is this? Okay, why are you stingy? When will somebody eat that your money that you're always hiding? What is this? Hey,
Chisom, like I said before, this is what I have. This is all I can provide.
Please, it's okay. Hey. People should not start.
Matthew 40. It's okay.
Okay,
because jide, madam.
It's okay now. Yes, it's okay. Let's go straight to the point.
What were we talking about? That reminds me.
We are talking about the professional makeup artists. The people that will arrange the hall. All of them, we are going to import them from Lagos.
Lagos?
If we cooling van. Cooling van, professional one for occasion.
Exactly.
Decoration, neat. Yeah, they will give us trending decoration. We are importing all of them from Lagos. They will come here and display class for us. That is what we are talking about.
Chisom, Are you being serious? Or you are telling us about a movie you watch?
Mbao, I am talking about your wedding. You people's wedding. Unless you guys want local wedding, no.
No, I don't want a local wedding. I'm okay with importation. Let's get these people and give us the best of everything we want.
That's what we're talking about. Yes.
Can you hear yourself? Listen, there is this thing they say. Afiazocha udenenweran. After all this preparation, people will go. It will be late for you and your husband. What will you now have to cope, feed with, till more money will come? Like, what will you sustain with?
Leave that thing.
Okay. Okay, if you want to do yours on your level, there's no problem. I'm okay with that. Or me, as your Dogo concerned, my wedding has to be talk of the town. It has to be top notch. The latest of everything you can ever think of.
Loud it.
Listen,
Loud it.
do you know who my husband is? No, I can't settle for mediocrity.
Loud it.
Never.
So that she will hear it loud and clear.
So we can still give you this pure water. You can add to what you have at home, so you can serve your guests with.
I still collect it though.
Which one you mind?
It's not even original one.
Give it to her. Let
Bingo.
her go with it. You stop by my house.
Yourself.
I'll send you wine.
Wine.
Hey, you drink wine now. If you don't want to drink wine, you want me to give you pure water. Come on now, it's when you're Dogu talking, no?
Are you
Let's do this wedding to our level. No.
Whose level?
This is the reason
My
I told
level
you
is not your
to
level.
marry a rich man. Now you have gone to carry poverty wholesale. You want to do cheap wedding. Please, count me out. I will not do a shabby for you. I will not do anything for you. Exactly.
No, I won't postpone.
If you don't have it, you shift it. Postpone it till...
I will do it to my own level.
Gosh.
Yeah, you sound so worried. You almost made me to leave my shop, to leave the shop open, and then come here to attend to you. What is it that is so urgent that you couldn't even allow me finish my business for the day?
This whole thing is happening so fast, and it has not been easy at all.
So you called me all the way just to sit down so that you tell me that it's not been easy. It's not supposed to be easy now. If it's easy, I'll bring you my can you jump over?
Next week I am going to pay for Norma's bride price.
Hey, congratulations.
Thank you. But see, the issue on ground right now is that I have not been able to save sheshe. I am telling you. So I decided to come here as my bosom friend to seek for your help financially. Biko.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Here.
Ugo that used to be money bag. Ugo the credit man. Only credit. You have no business with debit. Now Ugo has turned into Ugo the Boroboro. Ugo lend me. How about Ugo? Are you not ashamed of yourself? Is it not shameful? Can you just reconnect yourself?
Must you always insult me each time I come to ask you for help?
I am not insulting you, young man. I am stating the facts. I am telling you the truth. How can oh, I am so disappointed in you.
Who appointed you in the first place? Please give me this money, I beg. Didn't I pay you the last one? I will still pay you back this one. Oginide.
Look at poor man with pride. You are begging me to give you money as if you are the one dashing me money. Can't you just beg me, then add apology to it? Reduce your voice to the level of a poor man, and then collect the money. Why are you sounding as if... Go my man. Is it because of this small little bright pride that you are getting red? Don't turn to red. How much are we talking about?
Now you're talking.
What is keeping these other girls now? They are running late.
They are used to local wedding. That is what they are used to. See, anybody that comes late for this meeting is not a serious person, and I will remove the person's name. This wedding we are planning is not a local wedding. It is a wedding that will go international, and they are coming late.
Don't say that now. Do you know what's normal? Address the ones here while we wait for the others to join us. That will be better.
So,
Hey! I don't understand. Are you girls planning a burial ceremony? Or is it because of this cheap, tasteless food and stupid watery wine that you are ignoring me?
Anita, who invited you?
Do I need an invitation to visit my friend?
What did I hear? Gini koku. Mama. Is this thing your friend? Nketa ala. Hey you. I foresee.
Who could that thing? Who said that thing? Eh? See this frustrated and shameless woman that fights with her husband outside.
Is it not my husband I'm fighting with? Did I fight with your own husband? Yes, so I fight with my husband with my full chest. At least I am better than you that is canopy.
You are shameless.
Canopy!
You are very shameless.
Anywhere they call Ashebi, you will land.
Chop.
Canopy!
Yet,
Yet, 15 Ashebi, no husband.
That's what I know you for. Chop.
It's
yes,
okay.
So,
I will eat so that I will have strength to fight with my husband.
Just
If we pay you, get husband to fight with.
Consider
just for me, it's okay. Anita, you too is okay. Eh? See, Norma, it's not like I'm supporting Anita, but she's not far from the truth. I know very well that she's better than some people here.
Yes, so people like you. The only person she's better than is you. Rubbish. And do you want me to list the items for them, or you want to do it yourself?
Don't worry, I'll take care of it.
Oh, where the no
So girls, the date of my wedding has been fixed.
Oh yes, so.
And then I'll be needing 10 girls for the ashwebi and bridal shower. My
10? Is that not too much?
no.
Makachi, in my next life, I will do everything in my power to avoid poor friends. Common ordinary 10 Ashebi, and you are barking like a dog. What is 10? Don't you know that the more the better? Ashebi here in a wedding. What are you saying?
Chisom,
please, if we can add more if we want to.
Chisom, last time I checked, your wedding there was no Ashebi.
That's why I want my friend's own to have plenty Ashebi.
Okay.
Is there anything wrong with it?
Okay. My husband is okay with the idea of me having 10 girls for my ashwebi. Besides, he's capable. And he has proposed to pay for the ashwebi, pay for your makeup for the day, buy you new hair,
yes,
and a clutch purse that matches with the shoe. All you have to do is just to be present.
Are you hearing
Come
me?
to the venue. In fact, come to my house and change from
Hey!
What is it?
Do you realize what you just said?
Okay, what is it?
The money is too much now. What is it?
My husband is capable. Odogo is not complaining. My husband is loaded. Okay?
There is money.
Like I said, enough money.
Good.
All you have to do is just to be present. I don't want them to spend money. Besides, if I start putting a price, some people here will start making excuses.
I will join. I'm among.
Why are you obsessed with free things?
You like free things too much, oh. You like free things.
This thing you are eating, you paid for it. This thing you are eating, you paid for it.
You will be Ashebi. I will cancel your name.
Chop your bone.
I will cancel your name.
Well done, prefect. Prefect, well done.
Do you know you are a certified canopy? That is what you are. Canopy.
Okay now.
No, that's the only thing you have to do.
Canopy. Yet no husband.
You
25
I'm better than you. If you laugh again.
What is it?
Norma, do you realize what you just said? You promised 10 girls, 10 Ashebi wears. And not only that, you promised to buy them clothes, handbags, shoes,
Makeup.
hairs, ijikwanyage. And to worsen it all, you promised to sew it for them. I don't get it.
What is wrong with that? Huh? What is wrong?
What do you mean, what is wrong with that? It's much. It's too much.
Okay, why are you bothering yourself? There is enough money to be spent. Don't bother. My husband is wealthy. He's rich. He's capable.
But my husband is rich. My husband is wealthy. Babe, what we are saying that what you said is not as if it's not good though, but it's too much. Just cut down a little. Oh, do you want to go broke after wedding? See, these girls, they can help you. They are your friends. Not helping you by borrowing you money. Oh. At least by sewing their wares for themselves now. At least that one will be fine.
Okay, you worry too much. Like I said, Ugo is wealthy. It seems you don't even know my Ugo. My Ugo is a rich man. He can take care of everything. As a matter of fact, honey, if you and your boyfriend are in need of money, come to us. We'll borrow you some cool cash.
Ugo?
So don't stress your head, okay?
Ugo is rich and wealthy.
Apparently.
Okay. The reason I'm telling you this is because I don't want you to go broke after wedding.
Go broke.
Because I know very, very well that you cannot cope. No man that I know cannot stay one day without makeup or buying new things for herself.
That means you don't know my Ugo. There is nobody going broke.
Okay.
I can't go broke.
If you
Just
say so.
go home. I need to go inside and arrange everything.
No, I cannot cope.
Okay.
If anything should happen to go pocket, you cannot cope.
Okay, forget it. Ugo is not like your own. Okay. We have money.
Better cut down something.
Who is managing? Do I look like someone that would manage? Ugo is wealthy, eh? Take care, we'll talk later. Please.
Hey, honey.
Are you surprised to see me?
No, yeah.
Honey, something happened yesterday.
What happened?
So yesterday, I decided to host my bridesmaids. And then I decided to use a part of the money to entertain them. So I've been needing some more money.
You never told me you were hosting your bridesmaids.
Come on, darling. Do I have to tell you everything? Are you giving me the money, yes or no?
I don't have budgets for that.
Huh? Babe, are you trying to say I shouldn't have bridesmaids in my own wedding? Huh?
I can't remember saying that.
That's what you're trying to do now.
What I'm saying is that you did not inform me earlier on. You should have informed me first.
Okay, no problem then. In case of next time, I will write a formal letter or letter of application to my husband before I spend his money. But for now, give me the money. Babe.
Yeah, okay. It's okay. I'll give you the money.
My beard king. Come here. Mwah. All right, honey. Should we go inside to get the money at once? There is network issues, so I wouldn't want transfer. I know you have some cash at home, my baby.
Okay.
That girl is just the opposite of her name. Not so? Norma is so heartless.
No, wow.
And insensitive. Do you know that girl wants to kill me? She makes me spend money as if I pick it from the streets.
My brother, that girl Norma, that Norma of a girl, is so classy. She cannot kill you. She's harmless.
It is you that is saying that one, oh. Maybe she appears harmless, but you see that girl, she's more than harmful. I'm telling you the truth. Do you know this girl? She has made me to spend money unnecessarily as I speak to you right now. There are places I cannot pass through because I am owning most of the shops in town and boutiques. My name is on their credit book as I speak to you now. They are beginning to look for me up and down.
My brother, you are a star boy. You don't blow. What were you expecting when you are busy lying to her about your estate, your cars, your houses, your shops? That lie that made her to say yes. What were you thinking?
Calm down now. One for you.
Do you think that she will enter in the marriage and refuse to eat the money that made her to say yes? My brother, you joke.
Have you forgotten? Telling her that I am rich, I have cars, I have houses, I am wealthy, I'm only disguising to be a poor man. It is what we called scoping formula.
Scoping formula that have scope into a wheelbarrow pusher.
I was only trying to scope her, make her to fall for me.
And finally you have been scoped.
You see it now. Now, even my enemies, they don't need the microscope to see that I have become a broke man.
I hate advising foolish people. See, my brother, I don't want to advise you. This is just the beginning. I want you to go and sew what we call akweja akwa wheelbarrow, as in costume for wheelbarrow pushing, because this is just the beginning.
See, that girl should even make boo like as I speak to you now, even check shishi anom na pa. Nonsense. I know nothing good can ever come from it.
When I was telling you, did you listen?
No, so stop now. Do you want to break them for me? Is it because you are the one that bought it?
See, if I break it now, I'll buy another one.
Don't buy another one. Don't buy. I'm okay with this one. And see, I am going to start this business tomorrow. It's a must that I'll start it too. As early as Pai. I'm at the what is it called again?
The park.
The park.
You see, your mates are somewhere hosting their bridesmaids and planning their wedding. You're here talking about making money. Hey!
Akoko.
Igbo girl.
Pour me on some Wimo states. Yes. Wedding is just a day something. I can still plan the wedding and do my business. Planning wedding will not stop me from doing business. See, I need to do business, make money, and support you, my husband. Marriage is just a day something. Or do you want us to go hungry after the wedding? Eh?
No. Hey, you see why you are the best gift to me.
And you are the best consoler anyone can have.
You see, okay. Now, how are you going to handle your bridesmaids? What's the plan?
Nothing too serious, so I'll just buy them soap. Yes, I'll buy them soap, then the ashebi wear. And I'll go to their house one after the other. I will give it to them and ask them to sew it. At least let it be their own way of supporting our wedding now. They know we are still growing.
Hey! You're supposed to be a bank manager. But unfortunately,
I'm a honey seller.
Oh.
I'm a honey seller.
You're my best. Oh.
So, baby, when will the car come in? You know we don't have time.
Well, I don't know what they are saying, but I already told them the exact date. But just in case they disappoint, we'll rent cars from somewhere else.
Right?
Yeah.
That's good. And that reminds me, honey, we need to complete the payment for the event planner. So she can start up with the decoration of the hall. You know the hall is massive. Then another thing is my fashion designer. We're supposed to complete the payment so she can hurriedly make the 4 outfits. You know I'll change 4 times.
Yeah? It's again.
Yeah, nah.
Baby.
Yeah?
You mean 4 times? Like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Of course, darling.
You change 4 times in a day. Different clothes.
Yes, baby. That's how classy girls behave. Girls in the city. That's how you behave. That's how you dress. Just to show you're not just an ordinary bride. It's different, honey.
Does that matter?
Of course it does, baby. Not just that. You see, we need to make payment for the chef. Of course, it's called chef. Those people that make food. You understand? Those ones that you make and you come and serve yourself. And even hotel reservations for the makeup artist, the fashion designer, the event planner. Since they're coming from the city, they need a place to stay till the next morning, till the event. Even after the event, maybe 2 days reservation will go. Then the chef too will make different delicacies: international, continental, local. Just name it.
But my love, you talked about chef, the people that usually cook. We have Mama Nkechi in this village. Just give her 30 pa. She will bring firewood and share the whole thing we need for the whole day.
Babe.
And now she's the best cook. Oh. See, anywhere they do burial or marriage in this town, she's the one cooking for them. Inya 30 pa. Even you can even price it below that 30 pa. You know what I mean? At 30,000, you can even 27,000. She will cook Haitian rice, any kind of delicacy you want.
Who have you been hanging out with?
It's you now.
Why are you sounding like a local man? Is that what you want for your wedding? Really? Such a classless wedding. You want a cook a cook, not even a chef.
Baby,
is that what I'm worth?
It's okay. You know, I don't like it when you have this kind of face.
But you're upsetting me.
It's okay, I will do whatever you want. Yeah? You know, I like it when you smile. When you smile, I glow.
Then stop doing doing this?
It's okay,
Why?
it's okay, my love.
There's this class we need to ascertain. You understand? How much is the money? The chef is not even charging much. She just said 1.2 million for the continental, local, everything. They wouldn't have a stand for bole. Bacha, everything there. Baby, that's the lowest of it. She's even being considerate.
Baby, in this hard
Maybe
economy,
don't
but
do
it's
this.
okay. It's all right. I will do it. I want you to just keep smiling for me. You know, when you smile, I glow. When you smile, I glow.
Then just keep me happy.
If
Make
you keep
me
smiling,
happy.
I keep glowing.
It's okay. See, I love you. Baby,
Kolo. Wait. Nonso. Wait.
Nonso.
In Eko. Who are you talking with?
I was talking to nobody. I am rushing to the bank. Yes, they want to give me money so that I will use it for my wedding.
You are joking, right?
Do I look like I'm joking? I overslept though. I don't know what happened. Today of all days, I slept till almost 9 a.m. And the appointment I have with the bank is 10 a.m. Ha! The devil is a liar.
Young man, I don't want to believe that you're a fool. But let me just try and understand. If not for one thing, I will just use my hand now. Is Zawai. I will just reset your brain.
Straight to the point, I don't have time.
Are you okay? How can you go to the bank and borrow money just because of ordinary wedding? Eh? See, let me enlighten you a bit. Ordinary. Yes, you are supposed to go to the bank to borrow money for higher business, or to save a life, or even to acquire something that will give you more money. Not because of wedding. How can you be reasoning like a cow? Eh?
This is the interpretation of the dream I had last night. So you are one of those village people that don't want me to get married.
Young man, you can stay married without borrowing money. You can marry without borrowing money. You know your size. Can't you just cut your coat according to your size? That's a poor man you are. Eh?
You're my friend though, but it's like you don't even understand anything at all. Yes. Have you forgotten that the woman I want to marry has high tastes? And not just that, she is classy in nature. See, this money I want to borrow from the bank. I want to use it to, make the wedding to become talk of town.
Classic woman.
This money I want to borrow from the bank. I want to use it to make my wedding colorful. And not just that. The people I am going to invite, my friends and customers from the city, they will spray me money now. At least the money they will spray me to be enough to pay back the bank and use the rest to boost my business.
What if those your friends disappoint you?
God forbid.
What if this your high expectation is cut off? What will be your reaction?
Yeah. Stop being negative where I am. What's wrong with you, Seth? Don't you know only positive-minded people can make it in this life? What's your business?
So because you're wearing yes?
Yes.
You think back will say yes?
Yes. See, everything about my life is yes. When God says yes, nobody can say no. And that is why you see it, yes, with exclamation mark. Yes.
Okay, because your wife is classy. Classy without money is useless. So I want to advise you. If you have sense, stop this thing you are thinking. But even if you will succeed, the bank, they don't dash money around. If bank must give you such amount of money, you must have quality collateral. What will be your collateral if you get to the bank?
It's you now.
Thunder will kill you.
It's my shop. I will see you later.
This fool. This guy is my child. How can I agree to be pretending as if you're not a man? You are going to borrow money for.
My darling, I want to say a very big thank you for bringing out the best in me. Meeting you changed my life from bad to good.
come on.
And I want to say this to you, that I will always protect, love, and provide for you. You are my sunshine.
Oh, baby.
My only sunshine. And I love you.
I love you too, honey.
Mwah.
Baby, look at me.
Today you have shown me that Future has something for us, but we need to build. Thank you for helping me to build. You are the proper definition of woman of substance. You compliment me a whole lot. And this is where we are today. I promise you that we will be together. We will attend to that heart. Together, we will love you forever.
I love it.
Shall we? Yes, we shall.
Ugo is Odogwu. Ugo Bodogwu. Normal Odogwu Odogwu. And the wedding is trending.
Shut up.
The wedding is trending everywhere.
Shut up your mouth. Shut up for once. The wedding is trending, the wedding is trending. Are you after the wedding or the marriage? Are you after the wedding or the marriage? Huh? Listen, let me tell you. Ugo used all his money. Ugo practically borrowed money to make that idiot happy. And you're supporting him.
Yes. Because he's a real man. Yes, so he is a real man. It is a real man that borrows money to make his wife happy. It is a real man that borrows money to make his wedding the talk of the town. Unlike some people that did not borrow money to wed, though, yet they still cannot feed their wife. Oh, Chimo.
Let's see how he survives it.
He will survive. I know that is your prayer. You have black hearts, but he will survive. He is on his way to honeymoon in Ghana. Do you have international passport? He went, but he is going to Ghana for honeymoon. Big boys doings. Hey! In fact, you see that Ugo? That Ugo is a real man. He's a real man.
I'm not a real man.
Huh?
I'm not man enough. Huh?
Oh, no, it's not from my mouth. Meanwhile, the way you rush this one. Oh, but yeah! Ugo is in car, but you know she wine here.
That was what happened. That was how I killed myself. That was how I lost an angel for a devil. A wolf in sheep clothing. I thought Norma was the best woman ever for me. But see where she has landed me. Back to square one. I'm finished. Where do I start from now? Huh?
Hey, I'm very sorry, fine man. Everything will be alright. I believe. Do you believe? I believe everything will be alright. So, and meanwhile, you have to pay for my time wasted. And not only that, you have to pay for this pepper soup and for this drink.
Are you talking to me?
Which one am I talking to you? Am I not here with you? You have to pay now. 20,000. Is that too much?
Whoa. See, you've been the one drinking and eating. As a matter of fact, I have not even tasted
what I
this
gave
drink.
you.
Take your drink back.
Your business. You have to pay for it though. See, I'm not here to joke with you. Drink this one. You have to pay for this.
Is
thing.
it by force to drink?
It's by force.
You must want
You
it.
ordered for this bottle of wine and this chicken pepper.
Okay, your business.
You're asking me to pay you 20k for time wasted.
Oh, you told
As
me
who now?
You told me your story.
As first lady of the country.
You told me your story.
Which story? Did I force you to listen?
You told me your story.
Did I force you
your
to
wife
listen to the story?
frustrating you.
Did I force you?
But you told me.
See, you met me
You
here.
told me.
I was sitting down here, and you walked into this place.
That one is your business. That one is your... Come and pay for me. That one is your business.
See, I'm even here wasting my time with you, Seth. I'm not in a good mood.
Come back here. Come.
What's wrong with you now?
Oga, come and pay for this thing with it. Come back here.
See, you.
Drink.
I should drink. See, you better respect yourself. Come on, leave my chair.
I will shout.
Who slept with you?
You slept with me.
In your dreams?
In your dreams.
How?
Come and
when?
Pay. You pay for this thing. I will disgrace you.
You better leave my shirt. See, I'll hold your own shirt though. I'm not in a good mood though.
I don't get shit.
I will headbutt you.
My shit.
Come on, leave my shirt. I just left one devil, and here's another devil. I will deal with you.
Ugo.
Baby.
You didn't tell me you were leaving already.
Yes, I made up my mind. I want to go look for the money I borrowed from the bank before they will take over my shop.
Yeah. And so, what about the money you have already?
I want to give it to the bank first now. Then I start hustling for their balance.
My husband, I don't think that is a good idea. I'll suggest you give me that money to hold. So when you have the complete money, you pay them all at once instead of paying in installments. I don't want them to see you as a broke or poor man. So just you pay everything at once like a big boy that you are.
I think you're making sense. So
I always do.
See, but Otom, you have to promise me, if I give you this money, anytime I want it, you bring it out. No excuses. Okay.
Don't you trust me?
I trust you even more than my mother.
Of course, I'm your wife, and it is my duty to always keep the home.
Of course, yes.
So, why don't we go inside so you give me the money? Don't give it to me here. I don't want anybody to see it.
Inside.
Let's go inside.
Inside.
I go.
Oh, Tom. Go. I want to be seeing you from behind.
I know.
Where is she? Come, I have cheese for you. Where are you? Come. Come. I said it. Come. It's about your friend. Your friend and your crush, they are back. They came back this morning from Ghana. Go and verify. Go and know the reason they have to come back so sudden. I said it.
This is the reason you will remain poor. Look at all the excitement on your body. Because in your head you think something bad happened to your so-called friend though.
I'm not thinking of.
Look at you. People that are in Ghana enjoying themselves. Something you will not do even in your dream. Even in your dream you cannot.
I am not thinking. Go and check. I am not thinking. They came back this morning. I just came to tell you to go and verify. Go and know the reason they came back very sudden.
I will go.
Go.
You think I will not go? I will go so that I can prove you wrong. Just look at how happy you are. Because okay, let's assume something bad happened and they came back. So this is how excited you are. Because something bad happened to somebody. Don't fear when you bramusu.
Check again.
That away. Poor fool.
Man. Man.
See how happy you are. Don't fear.
Go and verify.
Hey! That is what you are. Because there's no food. There's no food. Hey! Chaka Orum, you will vomit that abacha when I come back.
Get out of here. You will vomit your intestine when you come back. Not abacha.
Wait, oh! Jeru? So this is true? Mba. Mama, what are you doing in this village? What are you doing here? Why are you not in Ghana for your honeymoon? Oh, hey, BJ.
Chisom, come on. Well, it's a long story. How are you and how's your husband?
Forget about my husband for now. And you see that story that you said is long? Cut it short. Bey and Kenke, what happened?
Well, if you insist, why don't we go inside so I'll give you whiskey, eh? You know, my husband bought enough, like a lot of expensive drinks. Let me just give you some to entertain you while we talk.
Cheru, forget about that drink. Forget the drink. Norma, why are you not in Ghana for your honeymoon?
Well, since you insist.
Hey, what happened?
Nothing serious, I just changed my mind.
I don't... Just like that?
Just like that. Well, since you insist, I'll tell you. You see, ECOWAS complained that my Schengen visa is above traveling to Ghana. So they advised that I go to Dubai or South Africa or any of the countries and not Ghana. You understand? Don't worry, I know you won't understand. It's not driver's license.
The only thing I don't understand is why you did not now come back and stay in the city. Then from the city, you now start going to Dubai or South Africa. Why did you come back to this village?
Come on. I was comfortable in the city, but then I miss home. You know, the fresh air, everything. And I miss you too. Why don't you? Let's go inside. Come on. Madam, this one you came to my house without calling me first. I hope all is well.
All is not well. I'm tired of your excuses. I needed to take you unaware this time. I need my money and I'm not leaving here until you give me that money complete.
Calm down, just calm down. I promised I was going to give you the money. I will, definitely. It's just that my husband has been having some financial issues.
That one is none of my business. It's none of my business. When you were busy pointing all the best wedding gown and every other thing, you didn't remember it will be expensive.
Be calming down now. What is it, Seth? Why are you shouting like I'm the only person owing in this world? Nigeria is owing. ECOWAS is owing. Tell me the person that is not owing in this life. I've told you I'll pay you your money. I'll pay you.
Like I said, I'm not leaving this place until you give me that money. Unless you want the villagers to know how you bought things without paying.
Just calm down. Calm down. It hasn't gotten to that. How much is this money? How much is the money, Seth, that is making you shout?
100,000 naira. Give me. It's my business money. Give me my money.
100,000.
Yes.
Ordinary 100,000 naira.
Yes. I know it's small for you, but give me.
Can you go back and come?
Oh, you think I'm just...
Wait, people! Easy now.
Are you giving me or not?
I'll go inside and bring the money. Okay. I don't even know how to keep customer.
Norma. So you want hunger to keep my man eye? After the whole money your husband spent during your wedding? Just to help your brother, you could not.
Soba, calm down. Sure, I have promised to send you people food stuff. I will.
We don't need food stuff. We don't need foodstuffs. What you need is just... I need 250,000 naira.
250,000 naira?
Yes. I want to open a provision store. I need to start buying things.
Wait, 250?
Yes.
Where do you expect to get that kind of money from?
Anywhere, borrow. Ask your husband, borrow your savings in your bank account. You have the money now. Sure, you said that your husband is a disguised millionaire. That he's just pretending to be... Collect money now.
Zoba, I don't have that kind of money. The money I have in this house is not even up to 250,000 naira again. Besides, it's not even my money. It was the money my husband gave to me to keep for him.
Bring it first. Bring at all, winch. Bring it later, you will know what to tell him. He's a millionaire. Oria.
Give me the money, let me start something now. Help me. On Ben Lake, has it?
So if I give it to you, sure you pay me back soon.
I'll promise to. Provision store na guy yours is so. It's a lucrative business. I will hustle and give you back your money. Oh.
Because you're my brother.
Hold
on. Let me go and count how much I have remaining.
So I should wait here.
Just wait.
Normal. Chilipo, are you sure she will not remove some money? No, I don't trust her. Let me go and count it. Mama, bring the wait first.
Are you being serious right now?
One, I am more than serious. I am very, very serious. See, I need that keke. Yes. Let me use it to run around so that I'll raise money to put more items in my store. Then I'll continue to ride the keke while I raise the money I borrowed from the bank. Bikono.
Wait, I need to understand something. Is it that I should give you the keke now? Or that you will use it and raise and run around, then continue riding the keke? I don't understand. Do you realize that I use that keke for my business? That keke is not for fun, it's for business.
Yes, Mama, I know. I promise to pay you for the time I will use that keke. Bikono, please help a brother. Biko.
No problem. See, this is the key. Yes, you can. That's the keke part there. You can use it, but don't even bother about paying me.
Are you serious?
Yes. It's not.
Chino so one name. Hey, Dalo. What could I have done without you? Oh, thank you.
It's nothing. Nothing. It's just at least it's my little way of saying thank you for allowing me to meet the amazing woman like Oge. She's a blessing from above. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to come in contact with her. Okay?
Yes.
You don't need the keke again?
It's okay. Where is it parked?
Look at this one. This one will bring out all your cons.
See?
You are too much.
I know.
Look at this one.
Have you seen the crop?
Hey, God. Now imagine, any day you wear this skirt, just walk in front of your husband, stylishly throw something down, and then bend. Yes.
What exactly are we celebrating?
Are you blind? Can't you see what we're doing here? She changed her wardrobe.
Exactly.
So that it will match her new status. So it can fit the new status that she is in now.
Exactly.
Hey, what?
Baby girl, I am now on a classic level.
Bam.
You are learning to... Why are you this wicked? Why are you this heartless? Instead of you to be giving her good advice, you are here deceiving her. And you, why are you letting yourself to be pushed around by this fake life girl? Money that you are supposed to be saving to better your family. You are here buying these things.
Why? Bebe, will you shut up? Shut up there. Don't insult me. Don't insult me. I was not the one that sent you to go and marry that poor church rat. The church rat that has turned you to a classless wife. Look at you. Look at what you're wearing. Are you mourning? Look at what you're wearing. Rubbish. Did I not warn you? Did I not warn you?
Come on, Ogie. Everything is fine. Everything is okay. All right? My husband is not complaining. He has lots and lots of money. He's wealthy. My dog is on money.
That was the life I was campaigning for you. Did I not warn you several times not to end up with that wretched goat?
If that is the case, there is no problem. Norma, I came here to tell you or to know if you join me in my honey business since your husband is no longer into the business. So we can join hands together and make money for our husbands.
Ofegene, are you okay? It will not happen. Omeme, it will not happen. What are you saying? Enokwa?
God forbid.
Fefu oye fefu.
Okay. Do you expect me, just Take a good look at me. Dog. You expect me to be carrying gallon of honey everywhere, from one place to another in this village? Selling what? Honey? Me.
Is there anything
Me.
there?
My
there is
friend,
everything
she
wrong.
said it will not
Can't
happen. And it will not happen. No way. She will never stoop to your level.
Oh no, never.
No, just go. Go and be dancing around in the bush with your bees until one day, you see that bee? They will sting the living daylight out of you. That is when you will realize what I was preventing when I told you not to marry that poor goat.
Well, nothing of such will happen. Since you don't want to join me, let me be going now.
Bye-bye.
It's okay. So you don't want to check out some of my new... I still have enough in this box. Okay.
Go and break palm kernel for your husband. Because I'm very sure that is what you're rushing to go and do.
I have never seen somebody who is so comfortable in poverty.
I'm telling you. And if you see how I advised her, do you know some days I will leave my house, trek under the sun just to go and warn her not to marry that poor goat. She ended up marrying the poor goat. Now they are eating grass and she wants other people to eat grass with her. Is it not wickedness? Leave her, Biko. Hey!
Let's open this one.
Hey, please, I can't wait. I can't wait.
Hey, stop there. So you left my house without cooking the food I asked you to cook. Huh?
My friend Zuzawe, that is the only thing you know. Food. Meanwhile, you are a goat, you don't know. You are a fool, you don't know. Is it not your mates that are changing wardrobes for their wives? Some are even planning to buy cars for their wives. The only thing you know how to do is to ask me silly question. Yeah, did you cook the food I asked you to cook? Rubbish.
Enough of this, your madness. I can't take this, your insult and wickedness anymore. Look, it's high time you left my house. Go to those men you are referring to all the time. Go to them.
What did you say? Because repeat yourself again.
I said you are leaving my house now.
Hey!
Go back to your father's house. Don't worry about the bride price I paid on your head. Later I will come and collect it.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my
Lord. Leave already.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Hey, God, I thank you. Thank you for saving me and releasing me from this bondage. Thank you. Hey! Since it come way. In fact, half of my bag is packed. If you see the speed and alacrity I will use to leave this house.
Go! Go!
Yes, so
leave!
I will leave your house so that you can wallow in your poverty alone.
Leave and never come back.
Tired of your
leave
poverty.
and never come back. If I look for you, call me a bastard. I can actually come and help you pack those nonsense you call clothes. You shall walk along.
Hey!
I hope you're not forgetting something.
Even if I forget anything, I will not even come back to pick it. Yeah.
Go!
Yes, so look at what you're asking me. As if you bought anything for me. How many years of marriage? You should be ashamed of yourself. I'm leaving.
Leave.
I'm leaving. Wallow in your poverty alone. I'm tired.
Go to your father's house. Go to your father's house.
Oh, my room get on the bed. Yeah? Fool. Stay in your poverty alone, people.
Female fool. Female fool. I will make this money. I will make this money. Oh, Jim.
No, so Biko, there is problem. See, calm down now so that you hear what I'm about to say now.
I use ear to hear, not my hand. So continue with what you're saying.
Okay, fine. See, Biko, I beg you in the name of God. See, I need 50,000 naira to complete the money I borrowed from the bank. If I don't return that money, they will take over my shop next tomorrow. I don't want that to happen, Biko. You are my only hope now. Bikono.
Ugo, remind me. What do you use that money you borrow from the bank to do? Did you use it for business or for that your building project? Oh, sorry, I remember. You used it for your wedding. And you're happily married at where?
Now.
And you're owing 50,000.
Yes.
But wait. You said you have paid all this money you mentioned and you still made 50,000 naira. How come?
Now, see, I made 250,000 naira plus the 400,000 naira I gave to Norma, my wife, to hold. So now I need this 50,000 naira to complete the money. Yes, so that I will take it to the bank.
You will close the business, have you? So if I give you 50,000 naira now, you will go to the bank and pay up the bills and be free.
Ozubono.
You are my person now, so it's nothing. We'll go to the bank and then sort it out, eh? My love.
Gugu, you're here.
Okay.
Hey. I need to go to the ATM machine. So that I will withdraw 50,000 naira and give to him to pay off for his, for his wedding balance?
Wedding balance? Did you borrow money to do wedding?
Let's go.
Shall we? Okay, want to pay for I'll be a free wedded and a happy man.
Yes, let's go.
I'm right behind you.
Okay.
Tom, this stupid woman that allowed stupidity to make her lose a fine, tall, chubby husband.
If you know what is good for you, you carry your useless self. I don't have time for rubbish this morning.
I will go. Come, let me tell you. Have you heard? Do you know that Nonso bought Oge a new car and they will soon move into their duplex?
Who asked you? Ilenketa. Who asked you? Like I said, take your useless expired self out of my sight. Oh. I don't want to tell you again.
Come now, I care. Before I mind my business, I say let me update you. Do you know that your ex-husband, that chubby, my spec, chubby, tall, handsome man will soon be my husband. We are dating and we love each other. Yeah.
I know that my Chijoke is cheap, but Chijoke can never fall low to your level. Although possible, say another thing. Say another thing. Just get out of my sight.
Madam.
Carry your frustration and get out of my sight.
Madam, we are getting married on the 2nd of November. You are invited.
No wonder Chijoke has not come to beg me. Oh, so this is the reason Chijoke has not come to beg me. Hey! Now I'm working a rinse you. Man, you people can chop shit. Look at this one that is smelling goat shit. So eba aka Chijoke dana. Osi odu ka otacharo. No. Hey! This thing might be true. This here agabukwa eziokwu. Ya nkwere ike ibe eziokwu.
In heaven there is no beer. That's why we drink it.
That is what you are. Efu Chineke brown. Look at you. Nenugo.
Where is this mad dog coming from?
That's not getting.
But you bark like a mad dog to show people you're really crazy. Huh?
Oh, you're calling me a mad dog? I'm a mad dog. Why are you cheating on me? Why are you cheating on me? Efu. Cheat. In this whole village, it is Anita. Anita Wambokwo. Anita Efu Chineke Brono. That is who you are cheating on me with. Do you know you are very cheap? You are a cheap man.
Yes.
Ibu, onye chogo ge wota ge kobo. Listen, you think I will not find out? You think I will not find out? You think I will not find out? Cheap goat, just few weeks. These few weeks that I just left, you are already looking for where to chook your useless Robertson.
Anita is better than you. Anita is far more better than you. Yes. Anita is better than you. And I will shook my thing anywhere. I like to shook my things. What is your problem? Yeah? Go to your father's house. Tell them to return the bride price I paid on your head. I don't want to do again.
You lie. You lie. I am not going anywhere. This is my home. And I am back to stay. In fact, don't forget that I have a child for you. I have a child for you. So, the next time you try to cheat on me, the next time I hear you are cheating on me, or I catch you with my 2 hands and my 2 eyes, I will show you, Pepe. I will deal with you. I'm no fear. Try me again. Go and just one again and see what I will do to you if I don't tear you into pieces.
What are you doing here? Yeah? Why not go back to those men chasing you? Those men that wants to marry you. Go back to them. Huh? Stop pestering me around. Yeah? You're here to talk about our child. Is it the child you took to your mother to be taken care of? Because you couldn't take care of him.
No, because I married a slave.
Useless mother.
I married a slave that cannot feed one child. That is why I refuse to give birth to more.
Useless.
This is my house. I am back to my home. Yes, so we die here. We die here.
In my own father's house.
I'm not going anywhere.
In my own father's house.
This is my house.
We cannot die here.
This
together.
is my home.
We cannot die here.
I'm
together.
not going anywhere.
Leave.
Look at you.
Leave my house.
I'm walk off my chupum. If they burn you well, come and push me out of this house. My own house. Yes. This is my house. I'm walk off.
Many times have I told you to stop riding this thing in this village? How long will you keep embarrassing me with this keke na pep now? How many times have I told you to pack this in somewhere else and stop bringing it to this house? Why are you reducing my steez?
I will ignore what you just said because I am in a very good mood.
Well, that's good for you.
Well, finally I have made the money to complete the one you're having so that I can take it to the bank. Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's a good news.
Nice.
So go in there and get me the 400,000 naira I gave to Yoga Adiro so that I'll take it to the bank. Before I'll start spending from the one I just got.
You mean 400,000?
Now 400,000 naira. Ozubonu, sharp. Hurry up. I don't have time.
There's no 400,000 naira anywhere. I'm finished.
Don't you understand what I just said? I said the 400,000 naira I gave to you the other day to keep. You even made a promise to me that whenever I ask for it, you will bring it without too much talk. Go and bring it now, no time. Okay, Adiro. I don't have time for this too many. What's in again? Norma. Is this a joke? Norma. Is the money in the land of the dead? Norma. See, I don't have time for this prank. What's the meaning of this now? Norma, stand up, I beg.
Husband, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Please, don't send me away. Don't give people reason to laugh at me now. I'm really sorry. What will people say?
Did I hear you right? You're still busy talking about what people will say?
After spending the money that I gave to you, Norma, if you know what is good for you, you will start running kitty kaka tiki taka back to your mother's place. Else!
Marriage is for better or for worse.
If I meet you here in the next 2 minutes, now your dead body I go carry go back your mama house. Try me!
Take me round the world.
Go back to your mother's house. Go back while you still can. Else! Now your dead body I go carry go back your mama house.
Ugo!
Go to meet you by the time I come out here.
Ugo, please now.
Hey. Sorry. Come, let's go.
Even if you don't touch, if you touch my bag.
What have I done wrong now? Is it bad to welcome you back to singlehood? Let's go.
Welcome who? Who told you I'm single?
Here.
This is my husband's house. I'm not leaving my husband's house. Ugo is my husband.
He said you should go. Go.
Do you know how much this makeup costs? If you dare touch it again. Ugo! Please now, come, let's go. Bring my bag.